శ్రీ హనుమాన్ జయ జయ హనుమాన్. Namaskaram. I am Kaushik K. Today I am going to talk to you about a mantra which is from the Sundarakanda of Valmiki Ramayana. It is popularly called as the Karya Siddhi Hanuman Mantra. Ramayana is not only a great epic but also a great text which is used for worshipping the Lord. Ramayana is recited in various orders and divisions for attaining the blessings of Lord Rama. Some verses of Ramayana are very powerful mantras which are chanted with devotion and trust. The value and use of Ramayana as a mantra is described in various texts. Uma Samhita can be quoted as an important text among them. Sundarakanda, describing the adventure of Hanuman in Lanka and delivery of Rama's message to Mother Sita, has many powerful verses for the worship of Rama, Sita, and Hanuman. The speciality of these verses is that they are not explicitly listed as mantras but are submerged with the flow of the story of Ramayana. The verses are spoken by the characters of Ramayana. Mantra Shastras and great seers reveal such verses and describe their applications. Such verses found in Ramayana can be chanted by anyone and everyone because it is a form of poetic epic text rather than a mantra manual which prescribes initiation and strict norms. The mantras from the text are the verses which have seed mantras, bija mantras, concealed and hidden in them. And hence, the mantras are powerful, but since the seed mantras are not openly revealed and uttered, the level of rules prescribed for the recitation of the mantras is comparatively very less. Let me reveal you one such verse from Sundarakanda of Valmiki Ramayana, which is popularly known as Karya Siddhi Hanuman Mantra. A mantra of Hanuman who grants success to our actions. The mantra is Tvamasmin karya niryoge pramanam harisattama Hanuman yatna maastaya dukkakshayakaro bhava. Let me repeat it. Tvamasmin karya niryoge pramanam harisattama Hanuman yatna maastaya dukkakshayakaro bhava. Tvamasmin karya niryoge pramanam harisattama Hanuman yatna maasthaya dukkakshayakaro bhava. You are the authority in organizing and performing this task, O greatest of the monkeys. Hanuman, please become the destroyer of sorrows by taking efforts. That is, by using your efforts. Is the translation of this shloka or shloka rupa mantra. Mother Sita tells this to Hanuman. She means that Hanuman is the authority in reuniting Rama and Sita. She requests Hanuman to take required efforts and destroy her sorrow caused by the separation from Rama. However, in the sloka itself, there is no mention of Sita or the actual task Sita was referring to. Whoever recites this verse praying to Hanuman, requesting his help, The shloka gives the meaning, O Hanuman, you are the authority in doing this task. Please take efforts and be the one who destroys my sorrow. So, this verse becomes a very powerful mantra as it becomes a direct conversation with Hanuman. And the word Hanuman itself is a great mantra which is adding the power to the verse of prayer. When we recite this verse with devotion and request Hanuman's help for our righteous desires and tasks, we are definitely blessed by Hanuman and we are granted with success and good result. This mantra can be recited to be freed from all kinds of sorrows, be it bad situations, illness, losing something, or any kind of situation which causes sorrow to us. The verse is first said by the great Sita, incarnation of goddess Lakshmi. Sita, though incarnated as a mortal woman, is extremely powerful and pious due to her own austerity, righteousness, and devotion. Her words have energy concealed in them. Hanuman also replies to Sita that he will do as she wishes for. That is also taken as a sign of blessing from Hanuman by the scholars who explain the use of this verse as a great mantra. Reciting this mantra 32 times, 54 times, or 108 times, 300 times, or 1008 times on a daily basis with true devotion is very helpful. Jai Hanuman. For more interesting stories and adventures of Hanuman, you can get my books from the link given in the description. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Jai Hanuman.